Folks, this is awesome, really. But this asteroid was huge, and it went by the Earth only 4.4 miles from the Earth. NASA radar images has got a picture of this, 39 seconds of the asteroid Toutatis. And when I look at this thing and realize how close it got, we got no advance notice. I think we got 1 day notice that something was going to go by. This is happening every day. And I think Vernon of Philadelphia, Vernon Hale of Philadelphia, he's been bringing up the fact that in some cases, NASA never even tells us what's going by. But I want to show you this. This is a spectacular view. It's 64 frames made into a video of this asteroid, Toutatis. Here we go. This is done by NASA. 4.3 million miles from Earth. There it is. Wow. Are you serious? It's like huge mountains. Unbelievable. Give your life to Jesus Christ. Look at that. Wow. The Lord is coming back soon.